Hello there, boys and girls. Welcome to another exciting lesson in mathematics. Today, I want you to be my little detectives. You are going to help me to solve problems in mathematics. Let's get right into it. Here is our story. Farmer Black is a well-known farmer in the community of Progressive Valley. On his farm, he rears chickens, goats, cows, pigs, horses, and many more animals. His community members value his work and give great support to his business. Lately, Farmer Black is having a great challenge on his farm. His neighbors are complaining about his animals straying on their property and destroying their crops. Farmer Black is very concerned about what he should do. What should Farmer Black do to solve this problem? Yes, he needs to fence around his property. Do you think you know exactly where the fencing is needed? Very good, around the property. What action will he have to take first to fence around his farm? He will have to measure around his farm. Now I want you to look closely at this model, which is a model of Farmer Black's farm. How many sides would he need to fence in order to keep his animals in? Can you help me to check the sides, boys and girls? Let's count the sides. One side here, another side here, there's another one here, and there's also another side here. Now can you look closely at this farm and tell me what is the shape that this farm has? You are smart. You are learning. It has the shape of a rectangle. Now, boys and girls, how will he know the amount of fencing that is needed in order to go around his property? Do you think you know how we can go about to find out that, boys and girls? Yes, we can measure around his property. But what would we use to measure around his property? Do you have any ideas? Yes, we can use a meter stick. Yes, we can use a piece of cord. And there are many more things that we can use to go around his property. Now let me show you just how we can help Farmer Black to fence around his property. Now this is a model of Farmer Black's property. His animals are on his farm. But as we said in our story, they are straying all over onto other person's property. Now here in my hand I have a piece of string. I am going to use this piece of string along with my meter stick to help you to measure around Farmer Black's property. Here we go. Here I am placing one end to the end of this part of his property, and the other end extends to the other end here. This is the length of one side of his property. Now we're going to place this measurement where it ends on our meter stick to find out how long this side is. The length of this side is 38 centimeters. Now we're going to go back and measure the other side. The length of the other side is 31 centimeters. Now that we have measured one long side and also one short side, boys and girls, do you think we really need to go around it? Can you remind me of the shape that the farm has? You are correct. It is a rectangle, and a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Now that we have measured 1 long side and 1 short side, let's see if we can find the total measurement around his farm. Can anyone remind me of the measurement for the long side? Yes, it is 38 centimeters. And the short side measures 31 centimeters. Now, how many long sides do we have? We have 2 long sides. So I'm going to write another 38 centimeters for the other long side. And we also have another short side, so we're going to write 31 centimeters for the other short side. Do you know what we should do with these numbers now, boys and girls, to find out the measurement around this property? If you say add, you are correct. Let's add these numbers together. Remember, we are working with our centimeter unit. So we place it here. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, now we have 18. We place our 8 ones here, and we take one group of 10 over to the other side. 10 plus 8, still 18. Let's add the other side. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. 6 plus 3 will give us 9. 9 plus 3 will give us 12. And 12 plus 1 will give us 13. The total measurement around the farm is 138 centimeters. So now we know what is the measurement around his farm. Now we can go to purchase the material to fence Farmer Black's farm. Right. Now that we have looked at the measurement around Farmer Black's farm, what do you think will be some of our objectives for today? What do you think the topic for today will be? Let's take a look. Here we have our objectives. First, we're going to develop an understanding of the concept perimeter. We're also going to measure the perimeter of various objects and polygons using string, handspan, other informal and formal unit measures. Okay. Now, we found out what our topic will be. It will be about perimeter. Thank you. Here is a little song I put together for you to sing while you work doing your perimeter. I'll be doing it for you first, and the second time around you can join me and enjoy yourselves as you sing. Now the song is done to the tune Jingle Bells. Perimeter, perimeter, round and round and round. Measure all the sides and write the answer down. Oh, perimeter, perimeter, round and round and round. Measure all the sides and write your answer down. Isn't that wonderful? Now you are going to join me when we sing it the other time. Perimeter, perimeter, round and round and round. Measure all the sides and write your answer down. Oh, perimeter, perimeter, round and round and round. Measure all the sides and write your answer down. Wonderful. We did that for Farmer Black. We measured the sides and we wrote our answer down. Now let's see if we can find the perimeter of some other objects. You can work with a partner. I know at school and boys and girls at home, you have your little building blocks. Now boys and girls, here I have some building blocks. I have gone ahead and I've constructed a little castle. You can work with a partner and you can use your building blocks to construct a building. After you have done so, you use your string, or you could use your hand span, and you measure around the building and you place it on your ruler as we did with Farmer Black's farm, and then you will find the measurement around the building. Remember now, perimeter is the measurement around the shape. I know you're having fun. Now let's move on to find the perimeter of some other shapes. Here we have a hexagon. I'm going to place it on the board. And let's see if you can find the perimeter of this hexagon. Let's say this side measures 10 centimeters. Here, 5 centimeters. What do you think the measurement of this side will be, seeing that this side is the same length as this side? If you said 10, then you are correct. Over here measures 5 centimeters. What do you think the measurement of this side will be? It will also be 5 centimeters. Let's say this side measures 6 centimeters. What do you think this side over here will measure, seeing that it is the same length as over here? If you say 6 centimeters, then you are correct. Now we have the measurement for all the sides. Can you remind me what we need to do with these measurements? Yes, we need to add up the measurement for all the sides. I am going to leave you to do this one on your own. What did you get for your answer? If you said 42, you are correct. So, the perimeter around this shape is 42 centimeters. Here on the board, boys and girls, we have some shapes. Over here we have a triangle, over here a triangle, and down here a rectangle. Here we have 2 centimeters, this side 3 centimeters, and over here 2 centimeters. Now remember, boys and girls, we say that we are going to find the perimeter, so we are to add the measurement around the shape. I went ahead and I made the addition, and our answer is 7 centimeters. I have done another one here for you. Now over here, I'd love for you to work on your own and find the perimeter of this triangle. Remember, perimeter measures the distance around. Is there a smart boy or girl out there who can remind me of what perimeter is? If you said perimeter is the distance around the shape, then you are correct. Tap yourself on the shoulder. Now that we have done so many activities, boys and girls, let's see if we achieved our objectives. Did we develop an understanding of the concept perimeter? Yes, I think we did. Did we measure the perimeter of various objects and polygons using strings, handspans, other informal and formal unit measures? Yes, we did. I know you enjoyed this lesson, and I know you have learned a lot. Now I want you to remember what perimeter is. And as you go out there, remember to sing our little song that we learned about perimeter. Have fun, boys and girls, as you learn a lot in mathematics. Thank you.